This is Lab 17. The introduction. Hotspots are zones where unusually high heat flow has been recorded on the Earth's surface. More than 100 are known, and as expected, most occur along active plate boundaries. Iceland is an example. But others, such as the Hawaiian Islands, are found well within tectonic plates. These are isolated and are not associated with the spreading centers or subduction zones. The cause of hotspots is believed to be plumes of molten rock welling up from the mantle. What produces the plumes is not known, but these sites often experience spectacular volcanic activity. The volcanoes on the Big Island of Hawaii are a famous example. Here, the eruptions of Kilauea have been continuous since 1984. Northwest of Hawaii, a row of volcanic peaks is found on the ocean floor far below sea level. They are called the Emperor Seamounts. Though the Hawaiian Islands and the Emperor Seamounts meet at an angle, they appear to be a part of a single continuous chain of volcanoes. It is interesting to note that of the entire chain, only the island of Hawaii is still volcanically active. Hawaii is the island located farthest to the southeast and has the highest heat flow. Perhaps the unusual arrangement of these volcanic islands and seamounts can be explained by the movement of the Pacific Ocean floor over hotspot. If so, this evidence would provide verification for this theory of seafloor spreading and plate tectonics. Procedure. Number 1. Use the map and a metric ruler to measure and fill the distance from the island of Hawaii to each island or seamount along the following chart. Make sure all measurements are to the nearest tenth 0.1 centimeter of a centimeter. Measure along the island chain, starting with Hawaii each time. Convert the scale measurements that are in centimeters to true distances, which are in kilometers. Use the conversion scale that's on the bottom left of the map. Note that the date of the last eruption in relationship to the distance from Hawaii of each island or seamount. So note the date. Note the date of the last eruption in relationship to the distance from Hawaii to each island or seamount. Number 3. On the graph, plot the date of eruption on the x-axis and the distance of each island to Hawaii in kilometers on the y-axis. Do not include Suiko. Label the x and y axis and give the graph a title. Questions. Where is the hotspot located at the present time? A. Hawaii. B. Niue. C. Midway. D. Koko. 2. Which of these is the oldest island or seamount? A. Hawaii. B. Niue. C. Midway. D. Koko. 3. Which of these is the youngest island or seamount? A. Hawaii. B. Niue. C. Midway. D. Koko. How many million years ago was the most likely date of last eruption for Suiko? A. 42. B. 28. C. 60. D. It is impossible to approximate. Number 5. The only currently active source of molten rock in the island seamount chain is the A. northwest end, B. southeast end, C. near the middle. What is the relationship between the distance from Hawaii and the age of the islands along the chain? A. Direct. as in one increases, the other increases. B, indirect, as in one increases and the other decreases. C, cyclic, as one increases, the other increases and decreases. D, constant, as one increases, the other remains the same. What is the most likely source of lava for the island seamount chain? A, the mid-ocean ridge. B, melting at a trench, subduction zone. C, plumes of molten rock from the mantle. Question 8. In what direction does the Pacific floor seem to be moving? A, northeast. B, southeast. C, northwest. D, southwest. Number 9. What evidence is there that the ocean floor changed direction? A, the scattered locations of currently active volcanoes. B, the geographic arrangement of the islands and seamounts. C, the sizes of the island and seamounts. D, magnetic anomaly readings taken along the island and seamounts. Number 10. Approximately how many million years ago did this change in direction occur? A, 10. B, 20. C, 30. D, 40. E, 50. Number 11. What direction was the plate moving before the direction changed? A, east. B, west. C, north. D, south. E, can't tell.